How to diversify your 457b with a Gold IRA. Market ups and downs can affect your retirement savings. Many people keep all their money in a 457b plan, which is often tied to stocks and mutual funds. While these can grow, they also carry risk. That's why learning how to diversify your 457b with a Gold IRA can help create a more stable and balanced retirement plan. Get free Gold IRA guide and learn how to diversify your retirement with gold. Click the link below in the description to get it. What is a 457b? A 457b is a retirement plan for government and some non-profit employees. It lets you save money before taxes, helping your savings grow over time. However, it usually does not allow direct investment in physical gold. What is a Gold IRA? A Gold IRA is a self-directed retirement account that allows you to invest in physical gold and other precious metals. This gives you the chance to add a tangible asset to your portfolio, instead of relying only on paper investments. Steps to diversify your 457b with a Gold IRA. 1. Open a self-directed IRA. Choose a custodian that offers Gold IRAs so you can invest in precious metals. 2. Roll over your 457b. Transfer part of your 457b funds into the new account. A proper rollover avoids taxes and penalties. 3. Buy approved gold. Select gold that meets IRS rules, usually with at least 99.5% purity. 4. Store it safely. Your gold must be kept in an approved depository, not at home. Wyatt Gold helps protect against inflation, reduces overall investment risk, adds balance to your portfolio, offers long-term value stability. Understanding how to diversify your 457b with a Gold IRA can help you protect your retirement savings. By adding gold, you create a more diversified portfolio that may handle market changes better. Always review fees and rules before making a decision. Do you want to learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment? Download your free Gold IRA guide now. Click the link below in the description to get it. Like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.